Hey there, Libra! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So before we dive into this reading of yours, reminders na hindi po ito for everybody. So just pick up the messages you think are for you. And if you feel connected into this reading, then this reading might be really for you. And of course, wala tayong gender dito and timeless din ito. So Libra, ano pang wini-waitings natin? Let's dive right into your reading. So let's see. Diba nakakita ako rito ng dokumento na paparating sa inyo kung saan magiging excited kayo. So, maaaring yan. Lumalabas pa nga yan sa iba, no, na maaaring yan na talaga yung hinihintay mo. So, pwedeng dokumento yan, no, kung saan may kinalaman sa kaperahan or trabaho, kung saan magiging excited ka. Nakikita ko na paparating na yan sa'yo. Makaka-receive ka ng balita or baka ihatid yan mismo sa'yo ng mensahero, messenger, or postman. So, kung ano man yan mga babes na it will be delivered to you, maaaring through social media applications, maybe through email for others of you, pero maaaring yung iba sulat yan, no? So, it could be any form, but a document. I'm saying a document. And the moment you receive that, I can see you here, no, na magiging super happy ka. Why? Kasi yung tagal mo yung hinintay, oh, diba? So, it's something positive here. Yeah. Pwedeng yun yung offer pagdating sa trabaho. Baka new start nyo na yan, no? New beginning na pagdating sa money, no? I'm seeing you motivated here. Yeah, that's what I'm picking up. For others, it could be any documents. Pwedeng hinihintay mo yan, no? Pwedeng vouchers yan or whatever. Pwede rin naman na pemene or something inheritance kasi nakukuha rin naman natin yun for others of you, not for all of you. Pero nakikita ko rin na kung ano yung document na yan, ready na yan. Yung iba na kukuha ko dito, hindi mo yan ini-expect na paparating na sa'yo. Yan. Yung iba, pwedeng ibulong ko, marriage contract. Take note, hindi yun annulment at hindi rin yun divorce, kemero papers. Pero yan ay marriage contract. You do not see it coming and I'm picking up. That's for my all single ladies, all the single boys. Yan, so bala kayo. See, a fresh new start. Kung ano man yan dokumentong paparating sa inyo, it's something serious. See, with high honor, with authority. This is also marriage here. What we're talking about is a fresh new start, fresh stable connection here, no? Simula ng bagong buhay sa iba, no? Trabaho yan or pagkakaperahan yan, pwedeng inheritance para sa iba, pwedeng pamanang lupain, pwedeng pamana rito, no? Na may malaking value ng money. So, sa nakikita ko rito, it will make you feel excited, no? To the point na parang nakuha ko sa inyo. Thank you po. Ingatan ko talaga to. Salamat po, Lord, kasi binigay niyo po sa akin to. Tagal ko tong hinintay. That kind of being grateful energy. Yeah, Hierophant is here. Especially for my single ones there. Yan, no? So, nakikita ko rito na meron ditong paparating sa inyo, no? Na makakapirmahan mo, no? Na marriage contract. So, ibig sabihin, love is coming. And it's not just love, Libra, but it's something serious. It's something stable. It's something worth it. Yeah. Okay? Because I know that you are lovable. Yeah. And with the Hangman right here, I can see you here, no? Dito na magsisimula ka mangarap no, sa panibagong chapter ng buhay mo. And you know what I'm getting? This is the type of energy na nahulma mo, no, parang kang alam mo nakita ko rito, no, pinapanood kong cartoons before, I forgot the name of the anime, no, and it's like parang may binubuo siyang parang bolang, ano, tapos bago niya yung iba to. Pag binato niya yung ganun sa sabog, so it looks like, pero hindi dun sa pagbato yung ano dun sa paghulma, so it looks like this is you are like molding, no, this energy. Maybe you manifested this this document right here. Okay, so whatever it is coming towards you, this will motivate you, this will inspire you here. Okay, and I can see, no, na malaki ang magiging suporta nito sa buhay mo. Kung love life yan, napakaganda ng energy na kukuha ko kasi napaka-supportive niyan. Hindi lang talaga sa pagsabi ng kaya mo yan, alam kong kaya mo yan, dahil naniniwala ako sa kakayahan mo, dahil alam kong magaling ka. Very supportive energy. This is someone here, no, na kung hindi mo pinaniniwalaan ang sarili mo, my babe, this person will believe in you. 'Di ba? Ang ganda ng mensahe, no? 'Di ba sometimes we doubt ourselves, can I really do this? Kaya ko ba talaga to? Okay? Maybe this is some type of a big responsibility. And then you question yourself. Talaga bang kaya ng skills ko ang extent na ito? Diba? Pero that person coming into your life, or that person could be in your life here, offering this big, fresh, new, stable start here, which is permanent. Diba? That is somehow the person that will push you. Okay, napaniwalaan mo yung sarili mo dahil magaling ka. Ayan, sana naririnig nyo pa rin ako na sobrang lakas ng ulan. So, it's non-stop. So, sana mga babes na kasino kayo ngayon, no? At syempre, huwag kayong magpapaulan. Okay, kung di naman kinakailangan na lumabas pa or tumakbo sa bus stop, huwag munang tatakbo. Diba? Parang ang pangit yung pagkakasabi ng huwag munang tatakbo. O, wala nang gano'n walang tatakbo Parang kala mo may pasugalan dyan no? Or kung may raid ba o ano. So, yun nga, no? Just stay, okay, inside, no? So, kung kayo ay nasa work, yan, mga babes, no? Make sure na nakatila yung ulan, no? So, mag-ano kayo, no? Dance stop. Pag tumila yung ulan, di takbo, ganun, no? So, nakikita ko dito mga babes, no? Yan. Okay? Because huwag nating isuong, no? Lalo na pagpagoda ang ating mga katawang lupa, no? Baka tayo ay mapasma. So, yun. So, going back here in this reading, I'm picking up that you are, magkakaroon kayo dito ng panibagong vision sa mga pangarap mo sa life. And I can see you that you have this motivation to achieve that dahil hawak mo na tong dokumento na to, hawak mo na tong kung ano man to. Pwede kasing ito na yung email from the HR. You're hired and you got this contract here, no? Na nandoon yung salary mo, job description mo, nandoon lahat. So whatever it is, I'm picking up that this is fresh new start with you at mabibigyan ka nito ng dagdag na lakas. Yes. Added strength here. Yeah, someone here also loves you. Yeah. This is what I'm talking about. This is your manifestation. You are the magician right here. You are the hulma boy and the hulma girl. I told you, mamaya isipin ko ako ano yung cartoons na yun. So, sobrang daming pinanood ko anime because I love anime, mga babes. No? Hindi ko na alam kung ano yun. So, whatever it is, you've manifested this. Yeah, I can see you grabbing that opportunity. The Four of Cups is in reverse because when it's in a pride position, iisipin mo pa pero dito, this is you grabbing this opportunity. Why? Because you feel it, no? I can see you here guiding, no? Pwedeng ito ay position rin wherein you will guide other people, you will supervise other people, maybe under you. Maybe your colleagues right here. I can see you here gaining this. Pwedeng ito ay promotion sa iba, no? Malaki to, fresh new start ito. No, yung iba nga, meron na kayo rito opportunity pagdating dito sa trabaho na ito eh. Diyan na kayo tatanda mga babes, no? Or diyan na sa business na yan, no, talagang yan ay pagyayabungin ninyo, no? At meron pa kayo rito makakasama, no, na taong susuporta at willing sumuporta sa inyo, no? Yung matatawag natin na talagang pangmatagalan dito, no? Yung walang sukuan, no, na relationship. Yan, no? Well, walang hashtag marupok dito. Okay? Kasi, nakikita ko dito, no? Walang marupok dito. So, I can see you right here making a decision to create this new life for yourself and for your family here. You want this for yourself and for your family. This new life that you're creating here is somewhat the life that you're manifesting. And look at that. It's now coming to fruition. It's now happening into your reality. It's now showing up for you in this 3D world. This is the 3D world, mga babes. And that world of dreams is the 5D. Okay? So, for a lot of you, this is a very good opportunity right here because this is you, no, na parang magkakaroon ka rito. Mabubuhay rito yung dugo at katawang lupa mo, no? Kasi hindi mo na mararamdaman na paulit-ulit na lang yung nangyayari sa'yo. Parang humihinga ka na lang everyday. Parang all you have to do is to make hinga and wait for something here to happen. No, this is it. I can see that your life is changing. Okay? Because you manifested this. This is a big change. You have to prepare here yourself. Okay? There are lots of changes right here. I can see you embarking on this one. I can see you here na parang paparuot parito ka, no? Pero I don't see you getting tired. That is what I love. Because that is you, no? Parang sobrang energized ka, no? To push through with all your dreams because you are seeing na may nangyayari. Naaabot mo kasi. Okay? Or maaabot mo kasi yung mga pinapangarap at ini-envision mo here. Yeah, this is your reality, mga babes. This is about what is going to happen here for you, Libra. And at the bottom of the deck, we have here the, see, we have here this 9 of Swords energy, and there's this 10 of Wands. Look at that. These are all the burdens, all the worries here. You will drop them all. Yeah, you will drop them all because you will be in this energy of the King of Coins energy, wherein you will feel grounded, hindi mo na mararamdaman yung lack of money ka, hindi mo na mararamdaman rito, no, na problema ka, especially kung saan ka kukuha ng panggastos dito. At higit sa lahat, hindi nasasakit yung ulo mo, kasi itong klase ng King of Coins energy is the type of energy, no, na hindi mo na kailangan mag-alala kahit nasabihin pa ng partner mo, no, na mag-OT siya, totoo yun. This is someone faithful here, no? Hindi ka mag-aalala, makakatulog ka ng payapa with your partner here kasi this is someone here who is faithful. That's what I'm picking up. Takot pa nga ito na mawala kayo sa buhay niya. No? Hindi dito uso ang pag-aalala. Ayan, you will drop here all the worries, all the things that you're thinking here, no? Lahat yan mawawala, magbabago dahil dito sa mga paparating sa buhay mo. You have someone solid here. Okay? Alam mo yung parang I'm getting this reading na this is the coolest person I know. Nakukuha ko rito. Pwede kasi magulat ka, no, na may mga alam siya sa mga bagay na mukha namang wala sa mukha niya. Na parang, ay, alam niya pala yun. Ay, marunong pala siya sa ganyan. Kasi parang wala ka sa itsura niya. May ganun naman nakikita rito. No? Pero whatever the case may be, I can see you dropping all of these burdens here. Lahat yan unti-unti mababagsak, malalaglag. I can see you dropping as well all of your sleepless nights, your worries right here. That is all in the past, no? Ayan, no? Ang laki kasi nang nadulot ng past sa inyo, no? Nag-create na kayo dito na sarili ninyong boundaries. These are the fences kayo nag-create niyan, no? Tapos tingnan mo, no? Parang takot pa rin kayo dito sa past dito. All of that will change because of this new life, because of this new person entering your life. And these are all the manifestations na nagawa mo para sa sarili mo. So, yeah, Libra, claim this wonderful message for you guys. Sarangi, love and life. Annyeong!